In this video, we will just discuss how to accept a string from user at runtime. Okay. Suppose after execution of program for user, you want to display a message like enter your string, and then later on at runtime, if you want to accept the string, then how to accept it, that we will discuss in this video. Okay. Now see, whatever string that user will enter, that string we have to store, okay, somewhere in some variable. So for that, initially here we need to define one variable. So I'm defining variable for that as suppose message msg. Okay, and instead of directly assigning string here, we have to accept the string from the user. In our earlier videos we have already discussed, if we want to accept a string from user, then for that we have to use input function. Okay, and how to use input function? Here we have to write like this. Okay, that is enter per string. Okay, like this. So what will happen after execution of this statement? This message will be displayed on command prompt, and then user will enter some string, and that string will be stored in msg. Okay, and then whatever value which is present in msg, that value we can print by using a print function. Okay, so how to use print function here? Print. Here you can display a message for user like user has entered following string. Okay, or user has entered string, and then we have to display the string, so that string is stored in msg variable. Okay, so what will happen after execution of this program? Initially it will just display this message, then user will enter one string, then that string will be stored in msg, and then using this print, that msg value will be printed. Okay, so let us execute this program. See here, it has asked like enter your string. So I'm going to enter a string, that is welcome Python programming. Okay, so what will happen when I press enter? This welcome in Python programming. See, this line is executed currently. So welcome in Python programming will be stored in MSG, and then this when I press enter, this print will be executed, and it will just display user has entered string, and that string is welcome in Python programming. See here, user has entered string. It is welcome in Python programming. Okay. Now I want to just discuss one more concept here. That is, see, like all other programming languages, in Python also string is treated as array. What I said, in Python also string is treated as array. Okay. Now I just want to execute this program once again. Okay, so see, it has asked this message like enter your string. So I'm going to enter a string, that is welcome only. Welcome. Okay. Now this welcome will be stored in MSG. So what will be type of MSG? In Python, like all other programming languages, in Python also string will be treated as array. Okay, so when I press enter, then see, this print is executed, and message, that is value from array, will be displayed. That is, here see, we have got that value welcome. Okay, but actually here this msg is an array. Okay, so its meaning is what? When this welcome is stored in msg, at that time what will be location of w of welcome? This will be msg of 0. Okay, then e of welcome msg of 1, l of welcome msg of 2, and so on. So this will be treated as array. I hope you all know that what is array. Array is a collection of element having similar data type. So in the memory, how this will just get stored? This welcome w will get stored at 0th location, then e at first location, l at second location. Okay, so here see, instead of printing, when I print msg, then complete message we are getting, but here if I try to print msg of 0, this is array, so it will just print the character which is present at 0th index of msg. Okay, so once again, if you execute this program, say again I'm going to enter a string, that is welcome. So what, as I said earlier, what will be location of w? This will be msg of 0, e msg of 1, l msg of 2, and so on. Okay, so here I have printed only msg of 0, means it will just print w. Okay, so see here, user has entered string, it has just print w. If I print msg of 4, then what is a character present at fourth index? See, once again, let us execute this program. Again, I am going to enter a string, that is welcome. So index 4, at index 4, which character is present? See, w is at 0, then e is at 1, then 2, 3. At index 4, o is there. So it will just print user has entered string o. Okay. So the point that I want to convey through this video is, in Python also string are treated as array. Okay. So either directly you can print msg. So here if you just write msg, it will just print entire string. Otherwise, if you print msg of 0 or 1 or 2, then that specific character will be displayed. Okay. So I hope you are getting this point. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.